Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to send documents inside Gmail. This works for both iOS and Android device users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, go ahead and open up Gmail on your phone. And now from here you want to click on the compose button to create a new email. And then from here put in where you want to send it to. So I'm just going to send it to myself. Alright, we're sending it to myself. Add a subject in. And then compose an email so you can give it a description. And then from here, to add an attachment or a document, click on the little clip looking icon, top middle-ish of your screen. And then what you want to do, insert from drive or attach file. But for this demonstration, I'm going to click on attach file. And then you'll be brought to this screen. So you can attach any of your recent files, or you can click on images, audio, video, documents, large files. So I'm going to click on documents. I'm going to attach this application checklist PDF file. So that's it there. And now simply click on send. And that's going to send you that document to that email address. So that's it guys. How to send documents inside Gmail on your phone. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.